Teaching and learning are more effective when students are curious and they have a sense of wonder. So let's do an example. Let's pretend that I'm your teacher and you're in my class. Ready? Does anybody want to see a magic trick for an A in the class? Okay, good. All right, first step, turn to your neighbor and say, magic is real. Good job. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to think of a 2-digit number. Actually, you know what? Let's make it easier. I'm just gonna show you a chart, and you can just choose a number off of that, okay? And I am going to get all of you to think of the same number or the same letter. You ready? Okay. So here, just to illustrate, if you chose the number 64, we're gonna make it even a little harder. If you chose 64, the 64 is the 2 digits, the 6 and the 4. You're gonna subtract from 64, you're gonna subtract the 6 and subtract the 4, giving you a new number, 54. And then you go to that spot, the 54, and then you're gonna remember that letter next to it, okay? So here we go. Choose a 2-digit number on the chart, find that spot. Do not interrupt your partner next to you, their think time. Got to concentrate. You got your spot. Thumbs up when you chose it. Okay. Now subtract those 2 digits from the original number. I didn't think they were going to tell me to do math here. Okay. Okay, go to that new spot. Thumbs up when you found the new spot. Good. You guys are great. And now remember the letter that's next to it. Okay. Now I'd like to point out that in the room here we have how many aisles? Not counting the size, we have 1, 2, 3 aisles. We have 3 steps coming up here. We have 3 items on the menu for SparkTalks right there. Something about the number 3 is special today, is my feeling. I need a little extra help. I think 3, if I take the letters of the alphabet, A, B, C. My guess is C. How many had C? Okay, how could this be? Talk to your elbow partner. How could this be? Go ahead, have a conversation. Ask him, how could this be? If you have no idea, ask somebody else. I hear like, oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to do fist of 5. 5 is I know how this works. 0 is I have no idea. 3 is like I'm in there somewhere. We're all going to vote. Where are we in our conversation about this so far in class here today? There's a 2 out there. Some people negative numbers? No, okay. So we would want to look around and find the 5s and go, wait, explain it to me. Now, if you want more information on this, you'd want to scan that barcode so you can practice a little bit more. What is magical is students talking to each other, constructing their own understanding. Thank you very much.